Oh my god.
Okay, it's gone. It's gone. It's gone.
He's dying.
I have no idea what we're supposed to do.
Was your perspective good? Because I was putting his
Oh,
I just hear go like, ah!
It's amazing. What the fuck is this?
Oh, it's an extraction.
There it
What?
is. Wait, why is it?
I think it finally dawned on them. I told you we have to do 2
Bring us back.
extractions.
Oh.
Look. We can put our friends in this.